Happy day, buddies. This is Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys OLMJ. Today's meditation is to help you release the anger, frustration, irritation. In this meditation, we will be doing a 5-minute gibberish. Gibberish is nothing but talking nonsense. Talking nonsense in a language which you don't know. So, if you don't know Chinese, you're going to speak in Chinese. If you don't know Japanese, you're going to speak in Japanese. But if you know Hindi, you're not going to speak in Hindi. So, gibberish is nothing but this is how you're going to speak. Speak whatever you want to speak. Remove all that is inside you which you are not able to speak. But in a gibberish, in a nonsensical language, a language which you don't know. Speak out. You can move your hands, you can sway when you do that. It's absolutely fine. It is releasing all that is not required and which has piled up inside you. It is one of the beautiful techniques to release all that we don't require. After a 5-minute gibberish, we will sit in silence. A background, beautiful music will be played, and you'll just sit there. I'll guide you through that music. During gibberish, in the background, you'll hear the gibberish just to keep you motivated. You do not stop in between. If you can't find words, keep saying la 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 la. Just go along, just release it without inhibitions. Don't worry, no one is going to judge you, no one is going to bother you. We'll start gibberish at a drum stroke, but before that, we'll put our mat on the ground and sit in Ardha Padmasan or Purna Padmasan with our hands in receiving or the Gyan Mudra. If we are not sitting down, we'll put our mat on the chair and sit on the chair comfortably with our feet deeply rooted and our hands in a Gyan Mudra or the receiving position. We'll first do the cleansing breath and then start with gibberish. As you close your eyes, let's start with our meditation. As you close your eyes and sit in the Gyan Mudra or the receiving position in Ardha Padmasan, Purna Padmasan or folded legs, or your feet deeply grounded in the ground, we will first exhale. Exhale deeply. Exhale through our navel deeply and through our mouth. Exhale all the stress and worry. Do not inhale. Hold for 3 seconds. And now inhale through your nose, deeply deep down to your navel, all the peace and calm. Hold for 3 seconds and now exhale through your navel, deeply through your mouth. All the pain, all the diseases. Once again, inhale through your nose, deeply till your navel, health and vitality. Hold for 3 seconds and exhale. Exhale scarcity. Deeply from your navel through your mouth. Hold for 3 seconds and inhale through your nose. Deeply to your navel. Abundance, success. And now let the inhale and exhale happen very gently. Inhale through your nose and let the fresh breath reach each and every body part, each and every body organ, each and every cell. And as you exhale out all the tiredness, all the fatigue, everything that is not required by the cells, the body parts, the body organs. The birds are chirping around and your breath is going in and coming out. It's beautiful. Just be aware, be attentive of your breath. And now, at the stroke of the drum, we'll start gibberish. In gibberish, you can move your hands, so you need not be in Gyan Mudra or the receiving mudra. You can swing from your hips up there. If you want to stand, you can stand. You can stamp your feet. You can kick. But be sure you do not hurt yourself. Keep your eyes closed the maximum times. So it is advised that you be seated and just with your hands swinging, moving, and your body, the upper body moving, you do this gibberish. We start the gibberish now. Remove all that is within you. Remove it. Throw it out. Bang your hands. Move your hands. Swing yourself. Remove all that is not required. Say all those things that you always wanted to say, but due to the society, due to the culture, due to the way we have been brought up, due to our beliefs, all that we could not say, just remove it out. Remove it out. Throw it out. Release it. Release it. Laugh, let tears roll down, let anger come out. But remember, speak in a language that you do not know. It can be Chinese, Japanese, Hebrew, anything, Spanish. No one is judging you. No one is making any comments on you. No one is labeling you. Just throw out, be yourself. Just do it. Do it. You can. Throw it out. Throw it out. This is a very powerful technique. Helps you release all the stress, worry, anxiety, anger, frustration, irritation. Just throw it out, throw it out, throw it out. Let there not be any pause. Just keep going, keep going. Do not stop. Do not stop. Even if it looks crazy, sounds crazy to it, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Don't bother about what's happening around you. Just throw out whatever is inside you. Just be worried about yourself. Just be there for yourself. Throw it out. Throw it out. Throw it out. Buddies, throw it out. Throw it out. It's caging you, so throw it out. Break the chains and throw it out. stop. Now fall deep within you in a deep silence. Look within, let the energy flow within. Just be there, just be there in a moment. Be rock still, do not move, statue. Just be in a statue position. Don't let anything disturb you. Just let the music play and you be there for yourself. Just be there. Just drown yourself in the silence, in the stillness. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. You're feeling light like a feather. Yes, light like a feather. All the colors of the feather have gone, have been erased. It's a beautiful white feather. A white feather which is light and which wants to fly. Fly wherever it wants to. Go wherever it wants to. With the wind. With life. Let it flow. Let it flow within you. Just be there. Rock solid still. Gather yourself. Be an audience to your thoughts. Just be aware. Let them come. If they want to come, do not stop them. And if they do not come, it's absolutely fine. Just be happy. Get a beautiful smile on your face. Be very cheerful, light. You're feeling so light from within, isn't it? And as you're feeling light, let the feather inside you fly. Let it go towards wherever it wants to go. Just be there with it. Just go, just go, just go. Witness it. Witness it. Be aware. Be mindful of it. And now just be still. Rock still. Observe, be attentive of what's coming and what's going. Just be there, just be there, just be there. Just be there. You feel so good from within. You feel so good and nice. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Just being there, being aware, being attentive. It's such a wonderful feeling. It's so beautiful. It's creating so much of nice vibrations, positive feelings. It's giving you clarity of thoughts. It's wiping up all the cobwebs. It's cleaning yourself from within. You feel so cleaner, so lighter, so nicer about yourself, about everything around you. It's one of the best feelings to have. And now, whenever you feel ready, rub your palms, wiggle your feet, and place your palms on your eyes. Feel the warmth and open your eyes whenever you feel ready to open them. I hope you all enjoyed today's meditation to release all that is not wanted. This meditation should be done very often and can be done with family to help even children release their stress, worry, and all those things that they cannot say otherwise. The background scores used today are the relaxing flute music by Body Mind Zone, Gibberish Meditation by World of Happiness, relaxing drum music by Relaxing Meditation. The pictures are our own clicks. If you have liked the meditation, do comment an appreciation which encourages us to post more meditations, as well as hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Heartfelt gratitude. Have a blessed day.